In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Avalanche's future, while talking about Avax cost estimate for 2023, and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like torrential slide. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the particle value expectation and answer questions in the event that torrential slide is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will torrential slide succeed or come up short? Or for what reason will torrential slide value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is torrential slide and its to-date history. Torrential slide is an overall stage for sending off decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, monetary resources, exchanging and different administrations. The objective is to be something of a worldwide resources trade, permitting anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other state-of-the-art innovations. Group behind the task is Avalanche, and engineers at Avalanche guarantee that torrential slide is the primary brilliant agreements organization to offer exchange conclusion in less than 1 second as standard. Avax sent off its mainnet in September 2020. The stage's local token, Avax, performs different undertakings inside torrential slide and furthermore works as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide is the principal shrewd agreements stage that can affirm exchanges in less than 1 second, upholds the sum of the Ethereum improvement tool compartment, and empowers a great many free validators to take part as full block makers. Torrential slide had north of 1,000 full block creating hubs on its Denali testnet, as well as supporting exchange conclusion under 1 second. Torrential slide is fit for throughput, significant degrees more noteworthy than existing decentralized blockchain networks, 4,500 plus exchanges per second, and security edges, well over the 51% guidelines of different organizations. What is the torrential slide Avax token? Avax is the local badge of torrential slide. It is a hard-covered, scant resource that is utilized to pay for expenses, secure the stage through marking, and give a fundamental unit of record between the different subnets mate on torrential slide. How is the torrential slide organization got? Torrential slide is a proof-of-stake (POS) convention which rewards clients for marking coins. POS networks have experienced harsh criticism for their low assault cost, which now and again has uncovered serious weaknesses. As indicated by Avalanche, torrential slide gets around this by changing administration to make it everything except incomprehensible for an aggressor to acquire the fundamental agreement secretively. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-0701 plus 3.07% $13.90. 2023-0702 plus 4.97% $14.15, 2023-0703, plus 4.08% $14.03, 2023-0704, 3.14% $13.06, 2023-0705, plus 5.11% $14.17, 2023-0706, 3.06% $13.07, 2023-0707, 2.84% $13.10, 2023-07-08, plus 2.85% $13.8, 7 2023-07-09, 2.10% $13.20, 2023-07-10, 2.64% $13.13. Torrential slide coin value expectation 2023. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity, with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Crypto Vault's forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 July 11.52% dollar. 11.93 2023 August 23.15% dollar 10.36 2023 September 21.98% dollar 10.52 2023 October 18.83% dollar 10.94 2023 November 15.07% dollar 11.45 2023 December 11.32% dollar 11.96 2024 Jan 3.66% dollar 12.99 2024 February plus 4.16% dollar 14.04 2024 Blemish plus 12.17% dollar 15.12 2024 April plus 17.81% dollar 15.89 2024 May plus 26.26% dollar 17.02 2024 June plus 26.00% dollar 16.99 Avax value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees Avax coming to $27.24 in 2025. What will Avax be worth in 5 years? The cost of Avax in 5 years could lie around $25.99, as per Crypto Vault's forecast model. Torrential slide coin value expectation 2030-2040. What torrential slide will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees torrential slide coming to $68.09 in 2030. What torrential slide will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees torrential slide coming to $136.19 in 2040. Will torrential slide surpass Bitcoin? No, torrential slide won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will torrential slide reach $1,000? Indeed, conceivable torrential slide can reach $1,000. However, just in a removed future, after 2030. Is torrential slide worth purchasing? We are backers of respectably dangerous financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half 35% in a crate of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, torrential slide merits purchasing. Is torrential slide a wise venture? Torrential slide is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will torrential slide be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $8.25.